Is it good to have sex during pregnancy?
Yes, you can have sex during pregnancy. Initial phase, the embryo is very tiny. Sex will not affect the embryos at all. There is no, actually many people they have a fear during sex or sexual act, this movement can cause abortion. There is no fact in that, it is not true. The world is revolving very fast, we are not disturbed, we do not even feel that vibrations or anything. Similarly, the embryos are very, very tiny, they will not be affected by normal sexual intercourse during with a couple. After 4th or 5th month, the size is bigger, you can avoid male on top posture, they can adopt other postures side by side or doggy style, they say behind, males are behind the woman and they can do doggy style, or females can be lying down on a table and male can be standing and doing sex. So, many postures they can adopt except male on top. So, till the delivery time a couple can have normal sex. This is good for males, female partner and the fetus, because lot of good hormones are secreted. It is good for their growth, their bonding, and they are intimate, they are very close and they are happy. So, the embryos are also growing in a good shape. In some condition it can be avoided. What are all the conditions? Your doctor says do not do sex because bleeding occurs, spotting or bleeding from the vagina, do not do sex, you do not do. Sometimes the placenta, the attachment of the baby and the mother, the link between the baby and mother is called placenta. It is on the lower side, it may cause bleeding, mild bleeding, a few drops of bleeding, it is called spotting in English. This medical term they say spotting. Many gynecologists they may ask the couple to abstain from sex. Some conditions, repeated aborting woman, a woman is aborting again and again and again, they may require bed rest, they devoid of sex and other activities, they should not do any activities, absolute bed rest. So, some conditions that warrants absolute bed rest or avoiding sex we can avoid. Some gynecologists they say because of infection do not do sex. So, you do sex, the female partner may get infection that can cause an abortion or some other unwanted things. So, avoid sex. In those conditions we can avoid sex during pregnancy. Otherwise, they can have normal sex during pregnancy, that is good for all the three, fetus, father and mother.
Thanks doctor, thanks for your leisure time.
Thank you very much.